I worked that out for the wedding. And your wife is... Oh, I like these ones.
Oh,
Stratford
shut up. Calling a faggot.
The fire ambulance.
These fireworks are like proper men like.
The bigger the better, really. Right, ladies?
Way! These are the sperm ones!
Some guy's like, fuck it, just light them all.
I want to go home.
I'm done now, it stinks here.
It stinks.
It does smell a bit of poo.
Oh, I love that smell.
Yeah, me too.
Not poo, this.
Gunpowder.
That's the smell of money down the drain. Yeah, that's the smell of starving Africans.
Fuck off! I don't give a fuck about the fucking little dying little malaria.
Alright, enough!
What? If they haven't got enough brains to get a proper job, they can just fuck off.